Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a couple of DIYs and I'm very excited to begin because they're very different and I'm very curious how it's going to look when I'm done because I don't know for sure. But we will find out together. So let's start with the first DIY. So this is everything you need for the first project. It's going to be a very simple project, but I think the outcome will be quite nice. So first I'm going to measure how big it is. So 36 divided by 4, that's, if I'm correct, it's 9. So with every 9 centimeters, I'm going to put some tape. So let's just say that this is the starting point. So now I have this. I have 4 points. From one point to another point is 9 centimeters. And now is going to be the fun part. So what my idea is that I'm going to put these alongside the vase. And I want to go from up, low, and up and low. I don't know if it makes sense. Just watch. I think that's the easiest way. So now I have my highest point. And I'm going to cut 3 more. So I'm going to glue the first one on. As you can see, the longest ones are on, and now I'm going to cut some a little bit shorter, and I want them to go like this. So let's start cutting the rest. And a lot of skewers later, it's going to look like this. So for my next project I found this, and it was €1. So first I thought maybe I can put some knobs on here for necklaces and that kind of stuff, but that's not really something I would use. So instead I've got these and some, do you call this brackets? I think. maybe? Well, these. And some screws, and I'm going to make a little plant table. So first I'm going to sand down the pots and also this, because it's a different color of wood. So I'm just going to sand everything down and put it together, and then I think I'm going to stain it a darker color. So fast forward to the next morning. I was kind of scared this would happen. It's not that bad, but I will show you. This is the table, but it's very wiggly. So what I did, I got some extra wood and I'm going to put that in between. I have them here. So I think that will help a lot. So in my head, I thought I'm going to put this here, but then the screw is in the way. So I think I'm going to put it a little bit higher than this. So this is also what happens when you do a DIY. You just have to make things up. Well, they fall apart. So it's a lot sturdier now. So I'm happy about that. And Down here I replicated what is going on the top. And for some extra sturdiness, so you can leave it like this, but I'm going to put a stain on it to make it a little bit darker and cohesive. So that were all the DIYs, and I am very happy with it because it's the first time I ever built something. So I know it's not the best thing you can get, but I'm proud of myself because I made it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.